Hey, you're thinking about money again, aren't you? Running the numbers in your head, replaying the same scenarios, trying to figure out if everything is going to be okay. And no matter how many times you think it through, it doesn't give you relief. It just pulls you deeper into it. So before you go any further down that spiral, just pause here with me. You don't need to solve your entire financial life in this moment. Money stress is heavy in a different way. It's not just a thought, it's a constant feeling. That tightness in your chest, that pressure in the back of your mind, even when you're doing something else, it's still there. Quiet, but persistent. Your mind keeps scanning. What if something goes wrong? What if I'm not doing enough? What if this isn't sustainable? And it wears you down, not because you're weak, but because you've been holding this tension for too long. Right now, your brain is treating money like an emergency, like something is about to collapse, like you need answers immediately. But pause for a second. Panic has never made a financial decision better, not once. It rushes you. It narrows your thinking. It makes everything feel more urgent than it actually is. So instead of trying to solve everything right now, we're going to do something more powerful. We're going to slow this down. Look around you, or just sense where you are. Right now, in this exact moment, nothing is collapsing. There is no decision required in the next 60 seconds. You are allowed to pause. Feel the surface beneath you, holding your weight without asking anything from you. You don't have to earn this moment of support. It's already here. And for just a little while, you can sit in this space without trying to fix everything. There are two voices in your mind right now. Scarcity says, there's not enough. I'm behind. I need to fix this fast. But control sounds different. Control says, I can take this one step at a time. I don't need to solve everything today. I think more clearly when I'm calm. Right now, we're choosing control, not because everything is perfect, but because panic is distorting reality. You are not powerless. You are overwhelmed, and those are not the same thing. Money feels personal, but it's not judging you. It's not tracking your worth. It moves, it flows, it changes. There have been times before when you didn't know how things would work out, and they still moved forward. Maybe not perfectly, but they shifted. More came in. You adapted. You figured things out. That ability hasn't disappeared. Your mind just forgets it when it's under pressure. So instead of seeing money as something you're constantly chasing, start seeing it as something you navigate, step by step. Notice how tightly you've been holding this. Trying to think your way out of it, trying to predict every outcome, trying to stay one step ahead of every possible problem. But constant worry doesn't protect you. It drains you. And a drained mind makes worse decisions, not better ones. So just for this moment, loosen your grip. You don't need to figure out everything tonight. You don't need to prepare for every possibility. You just need to be steady. When you're calm, you think differently. You see options instead of problems. You make decisions with clarity, not fear. That's where real progress happens. Not in panic, but in steady, grounded action. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a clear mind. And that's something you can return to again and again. You are capable of handling your life, even financially. Not all at once, but one step at a time. So when the thoughts come back later, and they will, you don't have to follow them all the way down. You can pause. You can return here. Remind yourself, this is not an emergency. I don't need to solve everything right now. I will handle what's in front of me when it's time. That's control. That's stability. And that's how things begin to shift. Right now, nothing is collapsing. You are here. You are steady enough, and that's enough for this moment. Let your body soften just a little more. Let your mind take a step back. You don't need more pressure. You need space. And you can come back to this anytime you need it.